morning everyone. Ellugu namaskara. Welcome to Varanares Kannada YouTube channel. My name is Vidya BK. Today we are going to discuss the topic called puzzles. So in previous class we are done with the basics of puzzles and all types of puzzles. Ivattu ನಾವು day based puzzles ಅನ್ನು study ಮಾಡೋಣ. What is mean by day based? Day means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay na? See, a person wears 7 different colors of shirts: black, blue, brown, maroon, pink, red and yellow on different days of the week starting from Monday to Sunday. Brown shirt was worn on the day of after Wednesday and immediately before the day on which black shirt was worn. Only 3 days are there between the day on which black and pink shirts were. The number of days before the day on which pink shirts was worn is same as the number of the days after the day on which red shirt was worn. Maroon shirt was worn immediately after the day on which blue shirt was worn, which was not worn the first day. Okay, see what is the question and what are the clues. Just note down the clues because it's easy to solve the puzzles. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು puzzle solve ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, so ಆವಾಗ clues ಅನ್ನ note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ because puzzles ನಿಮಗೆ answer easy ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I told you so many times, so again and again I'm telling you, just note down the clues. So what is the first clue? See, 7 different colors are there and 7 days starting from Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. What is the first sentence? Brown shirt was worn on the day after the Wednesday. See, brown after Wednesday. ಅಂದ್ರೆ Wednesday ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ, ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಶರ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ನ್ on one of the days after Wednesday. It may be Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Okay, then only 3 persons between on which black and pink shirts. Okay, 3 persons between black and pink shirt. Then the number of days before the day on which pink shirt was worn is same as after the red. See, before pink ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, so after red same persons. For example, before pink 4 members ಇದ್ರೆ after red ಕೂಡ 4 members ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So meaning of the sentence. Then maroon shirt was worn immediately after the day which blue shirt was worn. See, blue immediate next, maroon is there. But see, blue shirt was worn which was the not first day. So andre blue yavaglu nಮಗೆ first andre Monday iralla. Just take a possibilities. What are the possibilities here? See, brown after Wednesday. It may be Thursday or it may be, just take possibilities, 2 to 3 possibilities. It may be Friday or it may be Saturday. Okay, or it may be Sunday. Brown shirt was worn on one of the days after Wednesday and immediately before the day which is black shirt. So immediate black, brown is there. So immediate black, brown is there. So black here, then black here. So ಈ possibilities ನಮಗೆ wrong ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why? Because ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ place ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, see, ನಾವು black ಅನ್ನ place ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ place ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. So immediate above, black immediate above, brown is there. So between black and pink 3 gap, 1 2 3, pink here, then 1 2 3, pink here, then 1 2 3, pink here. So before pink how many members are there? So is equal to after red. Before pink no persons, so after red also no persons. Before pink only one person, means only 1 day is present. But after red, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ place ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ, see ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು black place ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ already, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ red place ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. So ಈ possibility ನಮಗೆ wrong ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then before pink 2, so after it also 2 places are there. Okay na? Then next blue and maroon both are immediate. See, immediate after. Immediate means there is a zero gap between blue and maroon, but blue is not comes first. So suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ blue ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ maroon ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ blue ಆದರೆ maroon ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but ಅವರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್? yellow. Yellow is the remaining color. Okay, so this is the right possibility. Sorry, this is the correct possibility. Okay na? See sub questions nodana. See, which of the following color shirt was worn on Saturday? Saturday means yellow. Option C is the right answer. And second question, how many days are there between the day on which pink and maroon shirts were worn? See, how many days between pink and maroon? Maroon ಮತ್ತೆ pink ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ? See, one, only one. Is there only one? Option A is the right answer. Next question, on which of the following day does the blue color shirt was worn? Blue color shirt, I think, is it Tuesday? Yes, blue color. It is Tuesday. Option D is the right answer. The number of days after the day on which dash color shirt was worn is one day less than the number of the days before the brown shirt was worn. See, brown shirt ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ before brown, how many members are there? So one less than after which shirt? After. Okay, this is before. Before brown, how many members are there? Before brown. Okay, see, this is brown. 1, 2, 3. Before brown, 3 members are there. So after which shirt? So one less than that of 3. So after means one less than of 3 ಅಂದರೆ 2 members. See, questions ಅನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Before brown, so 1, 2, 3 members ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So next question ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ connected to that word. Before brown 3 members ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So after which shirt? one less than of brown. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, one less than ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 means black. After black 2 members are there. So answer is Friday black. Option B is the right answer. So confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. one less than ಅಂದ್ರೆ suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2. It is black color. One less than, one more than, before, after. These are the very important terms in puzzles and sitting arrangement. Don't confuse with these terms. So okay, read properly. Then next, which of the following color shirt was worn 2 days after the day on which black shirt was worn? Black shirt ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ after 2 days ಯಾವ shirt wear ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So black shirt ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ first day, then second day means after 2 days means, so option E is the right answer. Okay, next question. 7 classes are there: arts, classical, embroidery, music, painting, singing and sports. We thought of a different days from Monday to Sunday of the same week, but not necessarily in the same order. See, Monday, Tuesday, see, Monday to Sunday same order alli irbeku, but the given terms like arts, classical ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ಡೇಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ painting class is same as before the classical class. Music class was taught 3 days before the classical class. The position of music class with respect to the painting class is same as sports class with respect to the singing class, which was not taught adjacent to the painting class. Only 2 classes were taught between embroidery and art, which is neither taught before the music class nor on Friday. Okay, see, first to Monday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then Sunday. Just take possibilities. Okay. See, what is the first clue here? Painting class was taught on one of the day before Thursday. Okay, one of the day before Thursday means it may be Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. They are not telling exactly. So Thursday before anta exact ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. One of the days before Thursday ಅಂದ್ರೆ Thursday ಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Monday ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, Tuesday ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, Wednesday ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ Thursday ಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ painting class. Okay na, this is the first clue. Okay, then the number of days after painting class is same as before classical. So second clue is after painting is same as before classical. So painting ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, so classical next ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So both are equal. Then the position of music class with respect to painting class is same as the position of music class with respect to painting class is same as sports class with respect to singing. Sports class with respect to SP andre sports, SG andre singing. Okay na, which was not taught adjacent to the painting. Andre singing class painting class adjacent iralla, they are not in adjacent position. Okay, only two classes were taught between embroidery and art. E madhe gap always 2, which was neither taught on before music class and Friday. See, art is not on Friday and not before music. Music class ku munche arts class iralla and Friday kuda namge arts class iralla. Okay na, see, what is the clue here? Painting is before Thursday means it may be Monday, Tuesday or it may be Wednesday. P here. What is the next clue? After painting is equal to before classical. So after painting is equal to before classical. Painting ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Painting ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 2 3 4, before classic 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, see, today 2 gap, then 2 gap. So music with respect to painting, music class was taught 3 days before the classical class. Music and classical, music class 3 days before classical. See, 3 days before and 2 days before. Sir, before at the word banda gap ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, given number ಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. For example, 3 days before ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ gap between those two terms are 2. For example, 4 days gap. 4 days gap ಅಂತ, see, 4 days before ಅಂದ್ರೆ gap ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. See, before ಅನ್ನೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 4 days before ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 3. 5 days before ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 4. ಸಿ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಲೆಸ್, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ 3 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ 3 days before ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3 days before ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 2. Music and classical. So music before, classical after. So before 3 days means gap should be 2. Then music and painting. See, first one painting is the next one music. With respect to, see, sports and singing. Okay na? Sports and singing. So here 2 gap is there. So we need a 2 gap here. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಪೇಂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಸಿ, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ upward. So singing is also upward. Okay na? See, based on this column, ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್, ದೆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್. ಸಿ ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 0. ಸೊ we should take it as a first one, singing and sports. Singing and sports. Why? Because music related to sports. So music related to sports and painting related to singing. Okay na? See, singing and singing and painting not adjacent to each other. Singing class ಮತ್ತೆ painting class akka pakkaದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರದು. Okay na? Fine. There should be a gap between embroidery and art is 2. Suppose art ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ embroidery ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. But condition is embroidery is not comes on before music. So music ಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ embroidery class ಇರಬಾರದು. Music ಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ embroidery class ಇರಬಾರದು. So music ಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? Obviously arts ಇರಬೇಕು. So embroidery. So this is the wrong possibility. Why? Because see, ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್? ಸಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ದೆನ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗೋ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 7 days are there, Monday to Sunday. Then first condition is Monday and classic having 2 gap. See, Monday and classic having 2 gap means 3 days before means 2 gap. Then after painting is equal to, see, after painting 1, 2, 3, 4 and before classical 1, 2, 3, 4. So after painting is equal to before classical. And then music with respect to painting is equal to sports with respect to singing. Then singing is not adjacent to painting. So painting music ಇದೆ, ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ 2 days ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ದೆನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ or this is the right answer. Okay, what are the sub questions? See, which of the following class was taught on Thursday? So Thursday ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? Thursday means A means arts. So classical, embroidery, none of these 3 options are eliminate ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ see remaining 2 ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. See, the one which taught 2 days after the music. The one which taught 2 days after the music. See, first day, second day, 2 days after the music. Okay. Then next, the one which taught immediately before the painting. Immediately before the painting. Immediately before the painting ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? Music ಇದೆ. Okay, music ಅಲ್ಲ. So Thursday ಅಂದ್ರೆ art. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next question. On which of the following day sports class was taught? Sports class ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಇತ್ತು? Sports class Saturday. So option C is the right answer. And next question, how many days were there between painting class and singing class? Painting and singing, how many days? See, this is painting and this is singing. 1, 2, 3. So 3 days gap. Option C is the right answer. There should be a 3 days gap between painting and singing. Then next one. See, 4 of the following are like in a certain way as per the given arrangement, and hence from the group find the odd one out. Like means which one doesn't belongs to group, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಪದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? See, art and classical. So what is the difference between art and classical? See, arts and classical, they are adjacent to each other. Andre previous after means immediate to each other. Then embroider and art. Embroider and art. See, embroider and art. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ gap ಇದೆ. So 2 gap between embroider and art. Then sports, singing, classical sports. Sports and singing, there is no gap. Classical and sports, there is also no gap. So then painting and art. Painting and art. So illu namge gap illa. So what is the odd one out? ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಪದ ಯಾವುದು? Option B is the right answer. Why? Because C, AC, EA, then SS, CS, EA. Combination check ಮಾಡಿ. AC, EA, AC, then E and A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ SS and CS. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ they are adjacent to each other. So they are also adjacent to each other. They are also immediate. They are also immediate. Painting and art. Painting and art. See, they are also immediate to each other. The right answer is embroider and art. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 1 to 2 ಗ್ಯಾಪ್. ಸಾರಿ, ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆನೂ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. What is the position of art class with respect to the classical class? Position of arts with respect to classical. See, this is art, this is classical. Position of art ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು art class position ಹೇಳಬೇಕು with respect to. See, reference term ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ? Classical. So as compared to classical class, just above or it's immediate above or immediate before. Just above, immediate above. So immediate before. There should be no gap. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬವ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸಿ 8 persons A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H are going to the classes in different days. 3rd, 8th, 12th, 15th and 23rd and 26th, 29th and 31st of the same month, but not necessarily in the same order. B goes to the class on a prime number date. So immediately before F, B on prime number and immediately before F. This is the first condition. Andre B and F always comes together. Okay. Then next, the person goes to the classes before B is same as the number of person goes to the classes after before B is same as, so after D. Okay, E goes to the classes on even number date. E goes on even day. Even day. More than 2 persons go to the classes between E and D. More than 2 persons go to the class between E and D. Okay. Then G go to the class immediately before D. G go to the class immediately before D. Andre E and D are both are together. C and 3 persons away from H. C and this and related to G. C. G go to the class immediately before D. G go to the class immediately before D. Andre D gu munche G class attend ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ and 3 persons away from H. So G and H ಗೆ 3 persons away means 2 gap. There should be 2 persons gap between G and H. C away, before, after ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 1. I already told you in the previous class. Suppose 4 away or 4 place before, ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ should be 3. Okay, 1 less than that of a given number. Then C goes to the class after A but not immediately after. C goes to the class after A. C A next C ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ but not immediate. There should be a gap. C goes to the class after A but not immediate. Okay, just take a possibilities from 3, 8, 12, 15, 23, 26. C 3, 8, 12, 15, 23, 26, 29 and 31. Okay, just take the possibilities. What is the first condition? B and F comes together. B first ಬರಬೇಕು, next B ಬರಬೇಕು, but B should be prime number. See, B and F. B ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, which is a prime B and F. Then next condition, 29 is a prime number, F. Okay, next one, the number of persons before B is equal to number of persons after D. Means before B no persons, so after D. Before B 1, 2, 3, 4. After D also 4 persons. Before B, after D, both are equal. Then E is a even number and D and E having more than 2 gap. G and E are next to each other. Suppose, see, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು E ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ more than 2 gap ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So ಈ possibilities ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then next, see, this is 31. Suppose ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ E ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ more than 2 gap ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Before D, G ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Fine. See, here it is G, then here it is E. See, more than 2 and before G, D ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay na? Then next condition, G and H 2 places away. 3 places away means gap should be 2. So then here H. Then A and C. First A ಬರಬೇಕು, then C. First A, then C. See, suppose first A ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is wrong. Okay, first A, then C. This is the right possibility. So A, C ತಗೋಬಹುದು, but they are not immediate each other. So this is also wrong. This is the right possibility. G, D, A, H, C, E, B, F. What is the position of C with respect to B? Position of C with respect to B. So B consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ C place ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? C 2 persons after, 4 persons after, 5 persons after, 2 persons before. So option D is the right answer. Position of a B with respect to C. B position ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ with respect to position of a C. Position of a C with respect to B. B compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ C ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So 2 places before. 2 places before means gap should be 1. Okay na? Option D is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following persons goes to the classes on 12th? So 12th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? 12th A. 12th A. Sorry. So option C is the right answer. The next one. In which of the following date F goes to the classes? So F 31 of that month. So option A is the right answer. The next question, how many days are there between the date on which D and E goes to the classes? So how many days? D and E. So D is 8 and E is 26. Okay, 8 and 26. So D is on 8 and E is on 26. Okay, don't get confused. See, how many days between these? 8, 9, 10. So 3 days. Then 10 to 20. Here 10 days. Means here it is 8, 9, 10. 10 to 20. Again 20 to 26. 6 days. Total hange 19 days ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇನು, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 2 times count ಆಗಿದೆ and then 10 2 times count ಆಗಿದೆ. So minus 2. 17 days. Between D and E, how many days are there? See, D means on 8th. 8 means 8, 9, 10. Up to 10, 3 days. Then E on 26 means, see, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ 3 types 3 parts ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ 8, 9, 10 ಅಂದರೆ 3 days ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 10 to up to 20 ಅಂದರೆ 10 days ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 20th ಡೇಟ್ವರೆಗೂ. 20 to 26 ಅಂದರೆ 6 days ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು 10 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 10 ಅಪಿಯರ್ 2 times. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ 20 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ 2 times. So this is also 2 times, this is also 2 times, means 2 numbers, just minus 2. 17 is the gap between D and E. Okay, next question, if first of that month is Thursday, then what is the following day does A goes to the classes? If first on month is Thursday, in case, see this is 3rd. Okay, see ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ, ಸಂಡೇ, ಮಂಡೇ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ here it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12th. ಸಿ ಎ ಡೇಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏದು 12th. 12th ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮಂಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, 12th is on Monday. Option E is the right answer. This is all about day based puzzles. We are done with the 3 questions. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇ ಬೇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಯರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.